Are you getting an access denied or error writing the values new contents message when trying to edit the registry editor in Windows 11? In this tutorial, we will walk through the exact steps to unlock registry keys and take full control of your system settings. First, you need to check if the registry settings are blocked by group policy. Go to search. In search, type gpedit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, go to administrative template, expand it, and then click on system. Scroll down. Here you will find a setting prevent access to registry editing tool, and here it's enabled. Right click on the setting and click on edit. Just select not configured, then click on apply and click on OK. Now setting is not configured. Close group policy editor. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update space /force. Click on OK. Updating the group policy. If your registry editor is protected by group policy, your problem will be solved. If not, go for second step. In search type Regedit. Right click on Registry Editor and click on Run as Administrator. Go to the registry key, which subkey you can delete, or you can create subkey, or you can edit settings within the key and right click on the key, then click on permissions, then click on advanced. In permission tab, click on change. Now type everyone and then click on check name, then click on OK. Everyone is added here. Select replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then select replace all child objects permission entries, then click on OK. Click on OK again and then click OK and OK. Now you can delete key or subkey, or you can edit registry settings within this key. Now close Registry Editor. Hope this will solve your issue. If your issue is still continuing, you have to go for last fix. Insert type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. In command prompt type sfc /scan now and then hit enter. System file checker will check error, will scan your operating system files and it will repair the corrupted files at reboot time. After completing the scan, you need to restart your computer, and after restarting the computer, hope registry editor access denied error will be solved. That's it.